I tried to use the Thrustmaster Steering Wheel and seemed to be extremely damaged, actually unplayable. When I turn right, it gets stuck, and when I turn to the extreme left, it suddenly disconnects, so it's time to tear down and take a look inside. I start by unscrewing everything from the back. I removed the label thinking there's a screw behind, but there wasn't any, so if you got the same Thrustmaster model, there's no need to do this. This one is the Ferrari GT 2-in-1 Rumble Force steering wheel for PlayStation 2 and PC. Considering there was no screw under the label, I knew there must be some hidden screws, and they were on the front. Once I finish with all screws, I can take a look inside. Apparently there's nothing wrong, but I'm sure there's a problem inside the cylinder where the steering wheel turns left and right. I suppose there's a nut inside the cylinder, so I'm pulling the wires out and take a look. I will use a zip tie not just because it should do the job, but the elastic cord used by Thrustmaster was also fixed with zip ties, so at the end it may look like it was made like this since the beginning. I give it a test to see if the problem got solved. I turn the wheel to the extreme left and the extreme right again and again so I can see if the problem is still there. The problem seemed to be solved, so now I'm assembling the steering wheel back. The solution may sound stupid, but it's pretty clear there was a bad connection inside the cylinder. If this would have not solved my issue, then I would have to open it, take out all the wires and replace them. This was a quick fix for the off-center steering wheel. I actually then tested it in burnout paradise and works just perfect. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.